Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. They're testing fire alarms today. I used to remember these were a nightmare for me because the sound's annoying, yeah, but for me, I get used to it. But when I had Yuna, it was really painful for Yuna. And the problem is, sometimes when I don't get the day off, this is not within my control. Yeah, I get my apartment all checked, but the problem then lies in Yuna being home alone when I have to go to work, and it's just painful for her. But I try to have the day off so that after they test my house, my unit, I go out so that Yuna is not as painful. But Yuna was so terrified by it, but it's just a loud screeching that comes out of nowhere. It's high pitched, which means it's really hurtful to dogs. I don't know if you heard what I just said, but yeah. I don't have work until it's longer than usual. Hold on. No, I decided to. Anyway, I don't have work till 1, so it's only 9 o'clock right now. They're gonna check my unit probably pretty soon because I'm near the end. So then I'll just probably cook my breakfast, lunch, and then just chill, have a shower, and then just get through that noise, I guess. This lighting is very nice. It's like fall and it's sunny outside, but not too sunny. I like this lighting. It's not too bright. Anyway, it's only about 12 o'clock, but I finished all my errands already. That's the beauty of waking up early now. I did go for a pretty big grocery haul because I'm about to, after today's day off, I'm working 7 days in a row, ending with me working a full complete day on Wednesday, meaning I'm opening and then working till 9:30, so 12 hours of work. Because at the end of next week, I am on a vacation. You can always predict where I'm going. I'm not gonna vlog next week because I'm not here for half of the week. So yeah, so next week's vlog, I'm probably just gonna do a ASMR video or probably maybe a thinking out loud episode. I haven't decided yet, so we'll see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I decided to buy a lot of groceries, proteins to cook with, so that, you know, I have stuff to cook and don't buy food. See, the problem with me waking up early and not eating early is that dishes pile up and you're thinking, oh, you just do them after your work. If I am doing an early shift, that's a possibility. But if I'm doing a closing shift, I finish my day at like 9:30. So by the time I get home, I'm already exhausted and I'm hopping to bed. There's always dishes waiting for me in the sink. But I probably think, why don't you just do the dishes before work then? Last thing I want to do before I go to work is chores. So I need to find a balance in that. So we'll see. But I'm also eating way less. When I say that, I'm like eating way less. Like my first meal of the day is still ginormous. I'm eating a big portion that I'm not hungry at all. You know when I feel hungry? And when I eat at 9 a.m. when I eat that gigantic meal, I don't feel hunger until like 10 p.m. At that time, I just go to bed. So you can imagine the weight I'm losing. Even though I'm eating more for my one big meal, by the time 10 o'clock rolls around I go to bed, I've already processed that through my entire system throughout the day. It burnt it all off. So, yeah. Anyway, I bought some proteins and stuff. I put them in the fridge. I also grabbed this Crave frozen meal. Surprisingly, this brand is actually really good. It has many different types of meals. I was very surprised. I bought it on a gamble like a long time ago because it's on sale. I'm like, you know what? I'll give it a try. It looks good. And ever since I've tried it the one time, I've liked it. Don't get me wrong, it's not like a 5-star meal, but it's quite passable and it's cheap and, you know, on the go, it's pretty good. So yeah. I also picked up a lot of cold cuts this time because sometimes if I'm feeling peckish throughout the day, because, you know, I might sometimes feel hunger, I'll just nibble on some of this cold cuts and protein and that kind of stuff. So, that's always a delight. Picked up some salad, and then because I'm an adult... Oh, the sun just went behind a cloud. Because I'm an adult now, I don't need to go trick-or-treating. I'll just buy the candy I want. So I bought candy. Probably if I can't finish, I'll just bring it to work. But unfortunately, I don't think Siobhan or Scott can have any of it because there's peanuts. But the Mars bars in here is separated from the peanut stuff because Mars bars don't have peanuts, so I think it's safe for them because it's like separately packaged inside the box, it says. So we'll find out. Anyway, I am just gonna chill now because I have nothing else to do for the rest of the day and I'm just gonna relax. It is Halloween. Oh, give me 1 second, guys, the phone's ringing. Sorry, phone was vibrating, but basically, as I was saying, it is Halloween. I was invited to a Halloween party, but because I'm working my 7 days, I just want to just relax. Plus, you know, it's not a Halloween party I was excited to go to anyway, so I'm just gonna pass on it. Plus, I didn't have a costume ready, that's also a big part of it, so... I think this will be probably... Last year I did something. I think every other year I've not done Halloween, I think. Sometimes you're just not in the mood. I just want to sit at home later and just eat Halloween candy. That's probably what's going to happen. My house is a mess right now. My kitchen's messy. I have laundry everywhere. I did not vlog much this week because it's just been utter chaos and I wasn't in the mood, but I'm honestly feeling alright about it. Before I dive into that, basically my washing machine, if you guys remember, is still broken. I'm still waiting for the part. I have heard nothing, so I'm probably going to send an email tomorrow and be like, what's going on? But because of that, I've been sending my bringing my laundry to my mom's to wash, but I can't bring that much because I can't carry all that. So because of that, I'm always one load of laundry behind because I typically do 2 loads a week. But yeah, so I have a bag full of laundry here, and then I have a bag right there full of laundry as well. I'm gonna take it to my mom tomorrow. So yeah, it's been both that kind of day. This is better. Perfect. Better lighting. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, so usually when it comes to my apartment being messy, laundry piling and all that stuff, I get really anxious, but I'm actually okay. I didn't vlog much this week either because nothing really happened. But I think it's because I'm entering vacation mode right now. That's why maybe I'm at more ease. I'm basically going on a vacation next Thursday. So I'm re-entering vacation mode, so that's why I probably like, you know what, I don't care if it's a mess, because I'm probably going to clean up before I leave on vacation anyway, because it's always best to do cleanup before you go, because when you come back from vacation, the last thing you want to do is clean. So that's why I'm feel okay with it. But yeah, washed on the threads. I didn't vlog much this week, so this week's been big bust, I guess. Sorry guys. It's about almost 10 o'clock right now, so I'm probably crashing as well. Maybe that's why I don't care right now. So we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging it tomorrow at all. I think I'm just not tomorrow. I mean, I'm not gonna vlog it all next week because by next Thursday I'm gonna be away, and y'all know where I'm probably going. Yeah, I guess. And I'm probably not gonna vlog it because it's like I kind of need a break. Plus, vlogging is very hard over there, as I've mentioned many times. The laws are a lot more strict, and I don't understand them completely, so it's better that I don't. I try to do as much as I can, but based on my style of vlogging, where I do a lot of B-roll footage, as you guys seen, it's really hard. And if I'm alone, it's even harder. But I find that the streamers over there, or people that do film, they usually keep the camera on them. So, which is fine, unless you're taking a selfie, but the problem is that's not my style of vlogging. I don't always vlog my face, so that's the problem here. I always use B-roll footage, and I talk over the B-roll footage as I'm pulling the camera towards a scenery or something. So that is a big problem. So that's why I can't vlog. If I wasn't traveling alone, so I'm gonna hold the camera and shoot it at me while I'm talking, so that's a lot better. But, you know, things I can't control. One day I'll vlog properly over there. If you guys can't guess where I'm going, it's pretty sad. It's clear where I'm going. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a different type of video next week. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do an ASMR one or a thinking out loud episode yet. I haven't decided. We'll have to see. But yeah, I apologize for this really crappy week, I guess you can say. But I'm actually okay with it. Usually I feel really bad. I feel horrible, but I'm actually okay. But yeah, I will see you guys, I guess, in 2 weeks. Because I won't be vlogging the week after either, because I'm not back until next Tuesday. So I'm messing the rest of 2 weeks. So I might do an ASMR video and a thinking out loud video, one after another. We'll see. Don't hold me against that. But for now, I am crashing past my bedtime, so I'll see you all. I guess I was gonna say next week, but I'll see you all very soon.